Today, I'll be showing you how to do these flamingo nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You'll need these dotting tools and these polishes. I'm going to start off by painting my toes pink and white. I'm going to use this bag to put the polish on to make this design easy. And then I'm going to start with the polka dots. I'm going to start on the flamingo's body, and then its neck, its eyes, feet, and then its wings. Check out the cards at the top of this video and the videos on the end screen of this video. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.